Hey everyone, ever wonder how to get that classic film look straight out of your camera without spending hours editing? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel. It's great to see you all again. If you're new here, I'm thrilled you stopped by. Feel free to join the crew, no backstage passes needed. Today I'm unveiling some game-changing Fujifilm recipes that will elevate your videos to a whole new level of nostalgia. And trust me, you don't need to be a tech wizard to make this happen. You know, the other day, I was flipping through some old photos and videos, and I was hit with this wave of nostalgia. The colors, the grain, the emotion, it got me thinking, how can I bring that feeling into my work today? I'm using the Fujifilm X-T4, but here's the best part. These recipes can be cooked up on any Fujifilm camera with a similar sensor. So whether you're Team X-T3, XS10, or any other model, I've got you covered. Now let's talk about this little gem that I found, the TTArtisan 27mm Pancake lens. Look how sleek this thing is. It has honestly become my go-to lens for so many reasons. Who else loves a setup that's both powerful and portable? I thought so. Check out these clips I shot using the film recipes and this lens. See how it captures that dreamy vintage vibe? Now, I do have to say that this lens is far from being sharp, but I actually like that. I don't like clinically sharp lenses. I love lenses with a little bit of character, and the TTArtisan has a lot of character. By the way, what is your guys' favorite lens to pair with your Fuji body? Drop a comment below. I'd love to discover new gear. And stick around because in a bit, I'll show you how easy it is to set these film recipes on your own camera. So how do you cook up these awesome recipes? It's actually simpler than making instant noodles. Let's dive in. So I'm going to put the recipe somewhere here on the screen so you can see, you can just screenshot that part and you'll have the recipe in the future. But no worries, we're gonna do this together, okay? So we're gonna go into still mode, and then you're going to go to the IQ menu setting, and there you're going to start adjusting things. So we're gonna go ahead and get the film simulation selected, and that's gonna be classic chrome. We're gonna leave grain effect alone. Color chrome effect, we're gonna set that to strong. Color chrome FX blue strong. This right here is probably the most important part of this whole thing. If you get this wrong, the image is not gonna look good. So white balance, ambient priority. But then we're gonna go into the sub menu and we're gonna move the red all the way to 5, and we're gonna take out some blue. So -6 for that. Dynamic range, 400%. Tone curve, highlights -2, and then shadows -2 as well. Color +4, sharpness, we'll leave that alone. High ISO noise reduction, -4. Clarity -3. The thing with the high ISO noise reduction is I actually turned that off on my X-H2S for video and for stills because I like to do the noise reduction in post, and it just looks way better. Now save everything and give it a fun name. How about Vintage Vibes or Cynic Classic? I just called mine Summer because it just really reminds me of summer vibes. See? Easy as pie. Guys, I almost forgot the most important thing. The actual website for all these recipes, FujiXweekly.com. They're gonna have way more recipes that you're gonna absolutely love. So yes, please check them out, FujiXweekly.com. I'll have a link down in the description as well. Okay, back to the video. And the best part is you can create multiple recipes for different moods. Planning a moody city shot or a bright beach day, there's a recipe for that. Now this is just a little tip here, but a really beautiful film recipe for beach days is classic Cuban negative. Wow, that film recipe looks amazing, and I would highly encourage you guys to check that out. I'm gonna just have a little description of that here somewhere, so you can just screenshot that and save it just like you did with this last recipe that we did. If you're finding this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps this channel, and I'd appreciate it so much. Now here's the cherry on top. These settings aren't just for photos. You can apply them to video settings too. In fact, this entire video was shot with this exact same recipe on my X-H2S. If you want to dive deeper into customizing your settings for video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I've got a detailed guide coming that you won't want to miss. So there you have it. A fun and easy way to add nostalgic film looks to your videos using Fujifilm recipes and the TTArtisan 27mm Pancake lens. Try these recipes and let me know how they work for you. And if you have any secret sauce you'd like to share, please leave those in the comment section below. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Until next time, keep shooting, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun with it. After all, the best footage comes when you're enjoying the process.